I've been waiting on this package for a long time, and we finally got it in. This package came from China to Ontario, Canada, to Jersey, and on to me in Houston. And I am excited to finally have these. So the F34 GT with adaptive headlights have not had aftermarket support for the LED headlight modules until about a month and a half ago. I had them in my cart on AliExpress, and I checked back about 3 weeks later, and unfortunately, due to the tariff stuff going on, it said, unfortunately, this is no longer available in your region. Just when we get the aftermarket headlight modules for the adaptive LEDs for the F34s, I can't get them in the States anymore. But fortunately, I have a buddy in Ontario, Canada. Shout out to you, my friend, who helped me out. I was able to ship it to him. It just so happened that he visited the States the next week, and he shipped it to me from Jersey to Houston. So without further ado, let's go ahead and change these to these. So we're gonna remove that, unplug the two modules in there, and swap the new one in. And here are the replacement LED modules. Comes with the heat sink, comes with the gasket, and this is the right one, this is the left one. And as you can see, if you look, those three little squares are yellow. Now these bad boys are gonna change my halos from factory white to yellow. And I have a T15 head. Let's go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna put these in my pocket. So I'm gonna reuse these. And now, carefully, we're gonna remove that. And there's two plugs, just like on the modules that we saw. So I'm gonna disconnect both of those plugs there, and we can get this old module out. Easy enough. And this is the left one. So let's plug the new left one back in. Put that back in there. Let's put our screws back in. And let's see how she looks. Hey, as you can see, it is obviously yellow. Let me go ahead and turn this exposure down right quick so you can see a bit better. Oh yeah. Now they are definitely yellow. You can clearly see on camera that it's a different color. Now these are the original modules. So if you're looking for these for the F34, fortunately you only have to change the top module on the headlight, because both of these control the two halos. Now it's important to note, if you have adaptive LEDs on your F34, then you will need to make sure that the modules you get have 5 prongs. So if we zoom in here and we count, each of these plugs has 5 prongs on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the correct ones if you have adaptive LEDs. The non-adaptive LEDs have different plugs. I think they have like 2 and 5, something like that. But make sure if you have adaptive LEDs on your F34, then you get the 5 prong plugs. I like it. They are definitely yellow. Actually looks pretty good in the daytime too. Okay, I did another thing. You know, I couldn't just stop at yellow DRLs. So I got bored and ordered this off Amazon. It was like $7. We are going for the French kiss look here with this yellow film. Came with a little blade and little tucker thing. So let's go ahead and cut a little bit of this out. I'm gonna cut 2 squares, put them over the fog lights, and let's see what it looks like. Yep. Now the car definitely needs to be cleaned. And I need to go ahead and replace that tow hook cover. I have one, I just haven't painted it yet. But yeah, it actually looks pretty dope. And that is how you change your DRL modules on your F34 GT with adaptive headlights. I'm gonna rock these for a while. Maybe I'll get the blue ones, maybe I'll get the red ones. But until then, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.